Computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Sundays are my favorite time to reset and prepare for the week ahead by getting my space clean and organized. It's especially important while in college because it helped me feel good and productive. So let's reset together.
So we're done with the room. It looks so nice and neat. Show y'all inside of my closet. But here's my PJs and just random stuff over here. Having this in my room, it's so nice because like it make the room look put together. You don't really see everything that's behind it. Very clean. Yup. Oh, and I need to spray this. It's vanilla bean. Watching Modern Family. Alright, now that we're done with the room, we're gonna tackle the bathroom and then we'll take a shower, then cook dinner. What time is it? It's 5:50. But I woke up really late. I woke up like at 2 o'clock, so that kind of makes sense. I try to go to bed early because my sleep schedule is so bad. So I want to finish around 10 p.m. and then I go to bed at 11. Next step is this table. We're going to make pasta. We're going to make Marry Me chicken pasta. I think that's the name of it. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I definitely need to try that. It looks so good. Alright, I'm gonna cut the onions, then we can go upstairs and start cooking. Oh, but I also want to mix the brownies so I can just have everything done here. It's like so
If you're saying this, then they found my book.
maybe when I cook in the air fryer, man. No, I'm generally obsessed with my air fryer and I want to cook everything in it. And I was really thinking about cooking the brownie in there, but it's not so bad. Yeah, it's not that dirty, but it's dirty. This is our dinner for tonight, and I also made lemonade and it's in this clear cup. It's so cute. But yeah, I generally cannot wait to eat because I'm starving right now. Oh good, like yummy. So while I'm eating, I'm going to watch Love Next Door. I just saw this kid drama and it's honestly so good, so go check it out. Yep, episode 4 just about to start and I'm so, oh my god, I freaking love it. They're so childish. I'm gonna do skincare now because I haven't done a mask in a pretty long time and I want to do my nails. I have some press-ons. Just we're going to bed. Like, oh my god, you guys don't understand. I haven't got much sleep in so long because I've been like in my mind so much and I've been on my phone. Like I've been in my mind, I'm reading, I'm seeing those sad edits or sad videos on TikTok and I just been keeping watching them and that really bring my mood down and I start doubting myself or like just overthinking in general. Like I'd rather watch my kid dramas, read my books instead of being on my phone all the time. Most of the time when I wake up, the first thing I pick up is my phone and that's actually is a problem. Like I want to get closer to God, so now I've started reading my Bible and then I pray, then I start my day. I want to continue doing that because it has really helped me a lot. I feel so refreshed right now. My nails are now ready. You can put the press-ons now. The main reason why I got it is because of the bows. And it's red, so it's giving very much fall. It's pretty short. I've been really into short nails now. My left hand. Cute, 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 cute. It goes well with my skin tone. So, yeah. My brownies, and I'm gonna read my book. I have, yeah, that's all I have left to read. And yeah, so I'm almost done with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you, and go read Icebreaker. It's so good.